First up, we got Miss Gretchen Hong. I'm getting up is Sanya Lopez.
Hi, Sanya. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Hey, this is Liza De Castro.
Yes.
And of course, the Mamas, Junior Reyes and Joshua Garcia. Anything else would like to read our fellows here at the Open? Most but later after you get there, everyone will be using the Open for sure. These are the features. Sanya, thank you. Pag-usapan natin yung upgrading college grads. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening to everyone. Good evening. Sobrang proud kami to be here for the launch of Oppo F9. I think this is not the best, it's really one of the best phones of Oppo. Dito mo na sa sino pa lang ba? Napakaganda ng phone. So I can't wait to tell you guys more about it.
Especially the features. Joshua, good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you guys for spending the day with us. Of course, as a family, thank you for treating us as this wonderful family. This is a special night for everybody. Congratulations on a very beautiful photo.
And of course, Joshua.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Papasalamat po kami si maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito sa launching ng Oppo F9. At masasabi ko na ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang launch ng Oppo. So, sana po yung
We have seen a TVC, and we'll be talking more about that one later on. Pero hindi ka muna tayo. We all know that the Oppo F9's most proud features are number 1, it comes in gradient colors. Number 2, it has dual rear camera. And number 3, the main feature of this phone is its VOOC flash charge, which offers faster charging technology.
That was pretty amazing. So,
I've been hearing a lot about the VOOC flash charge this afternoon. Before I think out about it, I wanted to ask what Gretchen, Sanya, Liza, Joshua, Julia, and of course you, Robbie, think about the new Oppo F9.
Alright, let me go first. Okay, I think what's amazing about the phone is the dual camera. And how Oppo is now going beyond the selfie expert, just like what Miss Jane Wan was explaining to us a while ago, even though the front camera has 25 megapixel. Ganda yung mga photos eh. Right now, I'm into photography, and to all the photographers out there, this baby could go, this baby could go up to imagine 1.8 aperture. I'm a big fan of bokeh. And if you don't know bokeh, yung pag-classic sa likod. So maganda yung quality and the feature niya yung subject mo. That's what I love about this camera. How about you?
Well, it's an era of social media creation. So dapat videos natin.
Yes.
And then you just rely on your phone for that. So sa lahat ng mga kagaya ko, photographers, it's amazing that Oppo F9 has all these tools that will help us with our social media. So photos as well, rear camera na may bokeh effect. Meron din siyang artistic portrait mode. Kaya na nakita ko siya, sobrang namin sa mga hindi ko telephone na to. Meron siyang still light, meron siyang monotone light, meron siyang rim, at meron siyang isang lighting effect.
All sorts of modes.
Modes, yes. Dual color.
Yes.
So, meron siyang pero hindi na yung mamaya dyan sa mga demo phones natin. And sa lahat ng mga girls natin dyan, meron siyang AI Beauty 2.0. which was a natural beautification. So parang merong glam tea at meron siyang beauty expert.
Before we would have the beauty technology incorporated in the phone. And minsan, yung app na yun, so sobrang pinapakit na like kumakakita natin, minsan sobrang linis na, pero with the 2.1 beauty technology, natural, very natural yung pagkakita mo. So pag
Don't feel like
that is true. Kaya kung minsan sinabi ko kanina, tingin ko mukha ko si Julia. She's maganda. That's how perfect this phone is to be. How about you, Alexander?
With Oppo F9 kasi, your phone will charge just as 5 minutes, diba? So, meron na 2 hours off. So, mahalaga ito, lalo na sa atin, na di ba madali ba natin, and in case na meron kang kakat or na kausap, hindi siya maghihintay na matagal because of meron tayong 5-minute charge, diba? 2 hours off yun. So, which is maganda with your friends and loved ones na, tapos makakausap natin sila,
Ang naalala ko actually, may tumawag at tumakin ng telepono. Si Rich.
Ako?
Yeah. Can you tell us about
Hindi ako naman ng telepono for work. Kasi being in the news, talagang important for us to always be connected and to always be updated. Yung Twitter, meron nangyari, mapopost ka agad. Pero sobrang hassle kapag nawalan ka ng battery. So, thankful to the Boom Flash charger in just 5 minutes. I can restart my phone, bring it anywhere in the world, and be able to post, be able to contact the people I need to contact.
Without being worried that your battery is going to die.
Or meron nakaka-scoop, di ba? So, important na tayo.
Biglaan, beautiful feature of the Oppo F9. Speaking of beautiful, I'd like to hear from Josh Chia.
Last yung pinakamaganda.
Baba, sige. Ano yung pinakagusto mo dito sa atin?
Ako gusto ko yung pwede ka maglaro kasi tayo yung mga pag-chat yung mga mag-text, yung mga barkada mo. Gusto ko yung feature na yun kasi yung gano'n ko eh. So, kailangan mo yun.
I've seen that one sa Hawaii.
Oo, di ba?
Hindi ko na say this. We were roommates in Hawaii. Hindi ko mapitawan ni Joshua yung Oppo phone niya kasi meron niya siya. But it's okay. Kasi?
May stay
Pwede mo siya, pwede mo may pag-chat na
Pero ako
ito, dito yung kalaro ko yun.
Ay, naman!
Ito mo ba yung legends kasi yun?
Big relationship from Joshua. How about you?
Honestly, I am so happy that the new Oppo has a lot of choices now when it comes to a color that you might want to look. Kasi if I want to like color phones, it's so stylish that you can easily content during parties, during events, diba? And it's even more fun, especially with the mirror ceremony. You can take some content of the mirror ceremony. I mean, that's a follow-up. Kanina, na-picture na ako with my phone. Kaya medyo nag-alala na ako. Isa pa na.
Paano? Can you give us a demo kung paano nga ba maging selfie expert? There we go.
May angle ba yun?
Bout.
Ayun.
Sana ako.
Ha?
Okay ka mo? Ano ko lang sa akin?
Why go Julia was selfie video? Medyo nakaspot na ng bottom. Si Josh may kaya rin. Sige.
Sama ko
One.
ito.
Ganito yung loro mo bag sa akin.
Uy! How about the girls? Sige.
Gawin na siya.
Sige.
Hindi na, parang bawal siya, EDSA di ba bawal na yung single sa, kami din ko naman tatlo na kami. Oo, diba?
Bakit sa na-70? Kasi bawal ang single. Sabi niya. Alright.
The colors are really loving the red and purple green. I heard some of them is like limited. They're special. It's just special. Yes, yeah. You don't have it all around.
Mamaya, wala na natin. and the black one. And